जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतं। जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं
नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Please be seated. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, sitting with us, participants, visitors, sitting with us all over the world. At this moment, in many places, having two-way video conferencing. Cities sitting with us in two-way video conferencing. Singapore, Singapuram. You are able to hear me? Yes. Great. Slovakia, Shivaloka. You are able to hear me? Great. So many participants in Slovakia. Remote. San Jose, Madurai. San Jose, Madurai, I think frozen. Okay, not great. Nityananda Nagaram, Hyderabad. Yes. Atlanta, Ujjaini. Yes. Paris, Kalighat. Great. Mulund, Mumbai. Blessings. London, Kashi. Yes. Devon, UK. Blessings. Ma, what is the city next to Devon? Wellington, New Zealand. Great. Next to Wellington, New Zealand, what is the city? Huh? Two cities you have to find out. London, Kashi. Yes, great. They are also able to hear. Hong Kong, Sirgari. Hong Kong. You are able to hear me? Ma, what about this city next to Mumbai? Mumbai. Great. What's the city? Now one more city, ma. Tell them to type the name on the screen itself. Fairmont, California. You are able to hear me? Yes, great. Of course, Biddi Chitsaba. Volume is okay for all of you? Great. So I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Before we begin the program, I wanted to tell you only thing you need to do to get the complete out of this program. Only one thing, that is listen. Just listen. Listening has become such a rare act you do in your life. You hear many times, but don't listen. Many times you don't listen. You hear the sound, your spouse is shouting. Your spouse shouting and the sound of the grinder is both one and the same for you because you don't make any meaning out of both. The moment you know spouse is shouting, you shut yourself. Now it is equivalent to grinder sound. Many times you hear but never listen. Now these 2 days, only thing you need to do, only thing to make the whole program as an experience for you. Please understand. To make the whole program as an experience to you, just listen. There are some doctors who will give you just a prescription and ask you to buy the medicine. There are some doctors who will give you the medicine also and ask you to take. There are some doctors who will put the medicine in your mouth and ask you to swallow. There are some doctors who will make sure the medicine goes inside and digests. By putting the medicine, after putting the medicine inside your mouth, they will make sure it goes inside. Mother, she takes the medicine and gives the effect of it through the mother's milk. Understand? There are some doctors who don't know the medicine. I have to tell them about them also. There are some doctors who knows the medicine but gives only prescription. There are some doctors who put the medicine, give the medicine in your hand. There are some who put the medicine in your mouth. There are some who make sure the medicine gets into your system. But mother, she takes the medicine and gives the essence of it through the mother's milk to you. Listen. Whatever I am teaching, I have already taken it. Literally like mother's milk, I am giving the essence of it to you. All you need is just listen. Nothing else. Listen. It will become part of you. It will simply become experience in you. Sit up. Oh, jet lag? For listening, you have to sit up. If any of you are feeling little tired, any of you traveled whole night and came? Okay. There's a tea. Whenever you feel little tired or feeling like putting your head down, just go and sip a cup of tea and stand for a few minutes, listen. If you feel like putting your head down, even if you don't put your head down, you will be switched off, mind will be somewhere. That is also non-listening. Whoever raised the hand, please just go and get a cup of tea. See, any time during the session, you can go and have a cup of tea, stand and listen. Any time. All the halls where the program is going on now, Slovakia, Singapore, Atlanta, Hyderabad, San Jose, Paris, Mumbai, everywhere you should make tea available. London, Devon, Wellington, all you guys, organizers, volunteers, just make can of tea available. Any time, because I know it's a various time zones for all of you. For Indians, in any time zone we will sleep, that is different. That is one of the greatest power Indians have, really. It's one of the greatest power, any time zone, any time, anywhere. Of course, for other countries, I know it's various time zones. When you are feeling like sleeping, feeling drowsy, just have a cup of tea. You can be standing for some time. That's what I am doing, see. But listen, because when you feel like sleepy, drowsy, even if you continue to sit, especially if you are educated, in the schools you learnt the art of sleeping with open eyes. That's the first thing you learn in schools and colleges. Head is shaking. Now I know what you are learning in the school. Now that's the first thing we learn. Able to sleep with open eyes. I tell you, Indians are ultimate in that. I have seen all cultured people sleeping, all country people sleeping. Because I have practically seen people from all different cultures and countries coming and sitting in my program. Amazing, you cannot trace at all. Impossible to find out means it is only Indians. Not only they will sleep with open eyes, they will even answer sometime and continue to be sleeping. I have seen Japanese, they will continue to be sleeping but their head will be moving. That I have seen. But nothing like Indians. They will even answer, sometime right answer. They will give a right answer, but they will be sleeping. All I need is just only one thing, listen, because the whole program will start happening in you only when you listen. Please understand, many spiritual gurus and spiritual teachers will tell you, how much ever you listen, unless you practice, you will not experience. But I tell you, how much ever you try to practice, unless you listen, you will not achieve it. All of you I know has done some or other spiritual practice in your life. How many of you here, you have done some spiritual practice, some technique, some method, some yoga, some kriya you tried in your life? Raise your hand. Practically the whole. It is listening which will make the whole thing as reality. Listening. Sincere listening. Intense listening. How many of you think you have attended Nitya Kriya Yoga already? No. Even I don't think I have taken this class already. So, I wanted you to know, none of you have attended Nitya Kriya Yoga already, because the class I am going to take now, I have not taken it early. It is completely new. Sit with a clarity, it is completely new. And it is new. Even if it is the same subject, every time when I re-describe, I myself feel shocked and surprised how new truths are revealed. Let me introduce the program. Nitya Kriya Yoga. Kriya means alchemy of enlightenment, process for enlightenment. the actions and the process need to happen for enlightenment. Nitya Kriya means the process you need to do to have the eternal space in you. When I say eternal space, naturally health, wealth, the space of positivity and space of possibility and space of responsibility, everything is a side effect of the space of eternity. All of us carry that ultimate space of leadership and enlightenment in us. How to awaken it again? These 2 days we are going to work on awakening the space of eternity, enlightenment, whatever you call it, space of God, divine, ultimate, success, whatever word you use, it's all same meaning. I call it as space of fulfillment. Awakening that in you. Whatever is stopping you experiencing the space of possibility, removing those obstructions, removing those negative patterns from your being, which blinds or stops your life energy, which disturbs your energy flow, and making you experience your life fully, consciously. May I request you, please sit straight and please do not close your eyes. See the power of technology. Standing in one corner of the world, you know all over the world. Same way, Slovakia, last row. 2 persons putting your head down. Please keep your head up straight. And San Jose, both of you guys are in a very comfortable seat. I think if you guys sit on the floor, there is more chance you won't sleep. It's already night for you guys. And such a comfortable cushion sofa. This whole process is to get you out of the patterns with which you are suffering, the deep-rooted patterns like guilt, fears, greed, pains, pseudo-pleasures. Getting you out of these patterns is the purpose of this 2-day program. Understand that cleansing of these thought patterns when you are alive results in life filled with joy, peak success, and peace. Please understand, if these patterns are removed from you, in the life you will have success. During the death you will have graceful exit. Whether during the life you are struggling or during the death you are struggling, both struggles are because of same patterns. The desire or guilt or fear or pain, whatever may be the pattern, Whatever does not let you enjoy while you are alive does not let you die when you are leaving. Graceful living and graceful exit is one and the same. If you lived gracefully, you will leave gracefully. Art of living or leaving, both are one and the same. If you don't know leaving, you will not know living. If you don't know living, you will not know living. Living or leaving, it is one and the same.